Good morning, students. This is Neeraj Pratap Singh, and today we will start our class 10, chapter 2. The name of chapter is A Long Walk to Freedom. So, before going to start the chapter, I am going to introduce you Mr. Nelson Mandela. So, you have heard the name of Nelson Mandela. He was the first black president of South Africa, as you learned it in your history or political science book. Today we will discuss about the ceremony that was held in South Africa on 10 May 1994. That was the day when he became the first black president of South Africa. So the ceremony was at amphitheater. This is the name of that building, Union Building, Pretoria. It was the place of inauguration. So first of all, we all know about Nelson Mandela, but let me conclude something about him. He has spent his 30 years life in a imprisonment because he was a leader of South Africa and he fought against races. Like that, in our India there is a caste system. Like the caste system, there was a system that discriminate black people from the white one. Means the black people were discriminated by the Britishers. Before 1994, there was the president of white races. Races means the fair complexion, means the color of the skin, not the fair complexion, color of the skin. So the Britishers, the American, means the Englishman, discriminates on the basis of races, and the system was called apartheid. That was the system. Like that, in India there is a caste system. There was a system that is called apartheid. He fought against that system, and after fighting a lot, he won and became the first president of South Africa. So in his speech, he tells a lot of things to the people of his nation. He told them that after a long time we got freedom and independence, and there was an election also, means the election was held in before 1994, and he got, means his party that named African National Congress, that got 252 seats out of 400. After winning what can we say? Like in India, there is a voting system there was like that the system, and through this system, that is called voting system, his party won 252 seats out of 400. And after winning the election, he became the first president of South Africa. He tells to his people, his nation, that from today we are free. There will be no any discrimination depending on races and all the things. Means like our India, the constitution is means in our India there is a constitution like that. He told to his people, the whole nation, that from today we will follow our democracy, and after following the democracy, they will get, means every person, every citizen of that nation will get the same equality, the same position in the society. That's all. This was the conclusion of that chapter. We will understand it very well in the class. Thank you.